Got another one finished up here. Innovative Car Sound 2014 Dodge Challenger. It was brought in today to do a reverse camera installed to the factory radio. Here, this is a Dodge screen from the dealership, and we have the control module active and ready to go. As soon as we go into reverse, backup camera will kick on all by itself, go into drive, and it goes away. We can also watch movies on the go. Here we have a video playing. Now when the control module is off, as soon as we go into drive, the movie will go away. It will now allow us to see the movie while we're driving. To activate the control module, we simply turn the radio on and off twice. And after the second time, we have a green light that stays on solid. Now we go into drive, and the video will stay active for us. Oops, let's get back to the video. And we're in drive. And now we can watch the movie on the go. Now there is a third feature that also gets activated for us, and that has to do with the navigation screen. There are certain options like changing the destination while you're on the move. So when you're driving and the control module is not in there, you cannot change your destination and a couple of other items. And with this control module, everything has been unlocked now. You have video, you have GPS navigation, and then we have the add-on backup camera. We have the control modules ready to go for most Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday from 10 to 6 and closed on Sunday. 2014 Dodge Challenger. We'll see you guys on the next one.